Today I'm going to show you my wireless CarPlay setup on my 2017 Honda Civic. Of course, this is an exclusive to the Civic. Really, any car with wired CarPlay that you want to make wireless. Now, of course, CarPlay is fantastic, but it quickly becomes kind of inconvenient, plugging and unplugging all the time. And with built-in Bluetooth features in the head unit, often when you're in a rush, you'll just end up using those, which are watered down and not as nice as CarPlay and Android Auto, but unfortunately just more convenient. But today I'm going to show you how to bring the best of both worlds with convenience and the better user interface of CarPlay. Now, unfortunately, this product I'm going to show you only works with CarPlay. I am unsure if there's any products out there for Android Auto. Comment down below if you know any. But in my case, I have an iPhone, and thankfully enough, my sister lent me hers so I can record with my my iPhone. But I'll show you my setup here. So down in the center console of my Civic here, this is the USB that you have to use for CarPlay. And what I've done is I've taken the CarPlay2Air unit and I've plugged it right into that USB port right there. And then I Velcroed it to kind of keep it out of the way, out of visibility, so it looks very clean and very nice. So I'm going to show you the pairing process because I've actually not paired her phone yet. And I'll be filming with mine. So we're going to step in here. I'm going to just put it into accessory mode for now. And then you'll see the normal Honda Link screen that I'm sure you're all familiar with. Then the driver notice there, my stupid face in the bottom left-hand corner. And then, because I've already plugged this CarPlay2Air unit in, I've told the Civic to open up on CarPlay every time. So we're right into the unit there, and you see that it shows my phone, but actually we want to add my sister's phone. So we'll go through that process now. So we're going to say search here. And while we're doing that, we'll tap it again. I'm going to unlock her phone. Open up settings as I'm going down here, and I'm going to open up Bluetooth. So we're going to leave Bluetooth open on here, and you see and up here you see that it says please turn on Bluetooth on your device. It's on. So now we're waiting for other devices to show up. You see the Honda there. We're going to tap it because the CarPlay2Air has detected this is a Honda vehicle so that it names itself accordingly. I've tapped on Honda there. Then I get a message on my iPhone. You see that's blank right there. Use CarPlay with Honda. I want to say, of course, yes. So we'll say use CarPlay. And then any moment we should see it pair right up to the screen there. So this is her iPhone displaying on my CarPlay screen now. And of course you get all the functionality so we can swipe between screens here. Looks like it was Danica's birthday. Not sure what that's about, but you see here we have CarPlay, and I gotta say this has been one of the best investments I've made for not only my Civic but really any car, because then I'm able to just hop in, get into the car, put it in reverse, and my CarPlay is already there for me. And latency is good. There's a bit of a latency with audio, however. So if you start playing this, I'm gonna turn it up here. You see it took a moment there for it to play, but besides that, this product has been fantastic. A few bugs, I'd say probably one a month. And I drive 4 times a day. So for that, this product has been incredibly solid. And recently there was a firmware update that they sent out. I ran that and I've had my call, answer, and decline buttons start working again because they stopped working at one point. So the engineers behind the CarPlay2Air are obviously fixing stuff on the software and listening to issues. But yeah, this is my wireless CarPlay setup, and I have to say I have been incredibly happy with it. Hopefully that video is helpful. Definitely leave a comment if I can explain anything further, and I'll be making, of course, a number of videos on this whole setup. Thank you so much. Bye.